Well, I first came to help start the integrated engineering team here at the beginning of 2011. Before that, I'd worked with the partnership and with Norman on the Apple campus. So that's why I came, to do something different and to have a more integrated approach. I think I'd met Norman about 20 years previous, actually, working on a project up in Cambridge, and I enjoyed working on the project there. I liked the way that he questioned and that he drove the dialogue on the projects. Well, working with Norman is fun, it's demanding, and it's thought-provoking. He's keen to listen, he's keen to understand, and he asks questions which are thought-provoking and deep, that often you've never thought to ask yourself. And I think that's one of the things that's interesting about working with him, is he sees things in the way other people who are not in the built environment see them. The environment in the studio is friendly, questioning, busy, and thought-provoking. And it's very, very buzzy, and it's exhilarating to be in. It's a mixture of great fun and hard, dedicated work. You ask a lot of questions and you make lots and lots of incremental decisions that make things better, and you work hard at a lot of things a lot of the time. So it's it's a good environment. It has grown. Not just the architectural side. I think a lot of effort has gone into growing the technical support, and I think that is what makes it pretty unique, is the resource that's available. We have such a wide resource available to look at projects from many technical aspects and many social aspects now, and when you work together for quite a period of time, you understand a lot more issues than you would otherwise. So the fact that it's integrated, it's deep, and there are lots of technical specialities really helps us as an overall team to address projects. The Bloomberg project was a fantastic project to be involved in. Obviously it was great to work with Foster & Partners on it, but it was also great to work under the mentorship of the client, Mr. Bloomberg, who had obviously a very clear vision about what he wanted to get out of the building. It's a very people-centric building, and I think that's great. I think it encourages people to work in an open and communicative way. It's a very specific type of building in which lots and lots of interaction between people has to be easy. It does that job extremely well. But it does come with technical challenges. It's from the point of view of an engineer, it's a very deep building. It really does help to bring people into contact with nature by the choices of materials and other such things, by the choices of artwork. As I've said, it's very, very unusual to be able to naturally ventilate a building so deep, and that was a big challenge to us. So sustainability is a journey. It's continued to evolve during my career. It's about people and it's about the planet, and engineers are educated in how to think about technical issues, about the use of resources, about the development of technologies and how to bring those, in this case, into buildings. But I think it's important to remember why we're doing it and who we're doing it for. It's really an attitude. It's not a discipline. It's a way of working and a way of thinking, and a very broad way of thinking, and that's why I enjoy working in it. There's no one answer to sustainability. It's an attitude of mind. It's about thinking about the people who are going to occupy the cities and the buildings that we design. It's about making their lives better. It's about being efficient in the way that we use the resources that go into the built environment. So I think we have to think a long way into the future when we're designing. And I think the probably cities and infrastructure which are with us for many generations, if not hundreds and thousands of years, I think we have to think very carefully about the choices that we are making because they're intergenerational choices, and we have to respect future generations and their ability to live in a happy way with the resources that the planet has got.